Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I've got 3 super easy DIY formulas for glowing skin, stronger hair, and a quick lip balm you can make in minutes. So let me go ahead and get started showing you how to make these. First, I'm going to show you how to make the easiest glow mask ever. All you need is 2 simple ingredients. And the first one that I'm weighing out into my beaker is going to be aloe vera gel. Now, this is going to help to exfoliate dead skin cells while also hydrating and soothing the skin. This next ingredient that I'm adding is also the only other ingredient in this glow mask. It is rose hydrosol. Rose hydrosol is a natural humectant. It's very good for helping to hydrate and soften the skin, as well as helping to really tone and refine those pores. It's also going to help to regulate oil production and keep the skin very balanced. So now that I've added the rose hydrosol, I'm simply going to go ahead and stir these 2 ingredients really well. Usually I like to do this for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then once I'm done with the stirring, I'll go over with you how I like to use this mask. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and apply a little of the ingredients to my hand. And then you're going to see me just gently rub it in. You want to make sure that it's a thin layer that you're applying to the skin. And then you're going to allow this to completely dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the time is up, you can go ahead and remove everything with warm water, and your skin will feel instantly smoother. Now I'm going to go ahead and create the second formula in this video, and this one is for the hair. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some castor oil. Now this has some good benefits for both the scalp and the hair, and it's going to help the scalp by creating a nicer environment in which the new hair can grow. It's also going to moisturize and condition both the hair and scalp. I'm now going to go ahead and add some calendula infused almond oil. Calendula is a great herb for both the scalp and hair. Now, what it does for the scalp is it's going to help to increase blood circulation, and it's also going to be very moisturizing and soothing for the scalp. For the hair, it's going to add some shine, and it's going to improve the hair follicles' health, as well as help to strengthen the hair. Jojoba oil is a great ingredient to use, especially if you're trying to encourage new hair growth. So what jojoba oil will do is it's going to help to balance the sebum production on the scalp, but it's also going to act as a cleanser by removing any debris, such as dead skin cells or dirt that might be around or on the hair follicle itself. It's going to add shine to the hair. It's going to help to prevent any split ends from occurring, and it's going to really help to stimulate blood circulation, which is something that you need to happen in order to encourage new hair growth. Now, if you've been watching my videos in the past, you know that I like to mention that jojoba oil is actually not an oil at all, but rather a wax. This is going to be fast absorbing, so you're not going to be left with any greasy residue. I'm now going to go ahead and remove it from the scale. I'm done adding all of the ingredients I need for this formula. It really is that simple. It only took 3 ingredients, but it will be effective. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and stir this really well, and then I will go over with you here in a minute how to apply this. To use this, this is what I would recommend. You want to start by parting your hair in different sections, and then in those sections, you're going to add a couple drops of the hair oil. You're going to gently massage it in and allow it to sit for about 30 to 40 minutes. Once that time is up, you can go ahead and shampoo and condition as normal, and you want to do this about twice a week. Last but not least, let's make a quick lip balm. For this, you only need 3 ingredients: a butter, an oil, and a wax. And today I am using shea butter. I like using shea butter when it comes to most skincare products because it contains the vitamins A and E. And what that will do for the skin, especially the lips, is it's going to lock in moisture. And it does this by creating a protective barrier on the skin. What this also has in it, shea butter, is it has compounds, that are anti-inflammatory. And so for those that suffer from really dry skin or even chapped lips, that's going to soothe it and help to heal it as well. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut oil. This is high in fatty acids. It's going to be very beneficial for the lips as it's going to moisturize and soften and also give the lips a nice protective barrier. For the wax today, I am choosing to use beeswax. Beeswax is going to help to really penetrate down deep into the layers of skin, providing long-lasting moisture. It's not only going to provide long-lasting moisture, but it's also going to seal in that moisture. It's great because it's rich in vitamin A, which is also going to be very good in supporting and really helping with skin regeneration. Now, beeswax is anti-inflammatory, so it will provide some soothing effects, especially for those that might have what's known as sensitive skin or really dry, cracked lips. For the beeswax, I like it because it has some antibacterial properties, meaning that it can aid in reducing an irritation or any redness. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this piece of tin foil and place it on the top of my beaker. I'm going to place this beaker in a pan with a couple inches of water at the bottom, and that's going to create a makeshift double boiler. What you want to do is you want to gently simmer these ingredients until everything is completely melted. You want to make sure not to boil them. The ingredients now have completely melted, so you want to make sure to do this step fairly quickly because it tends to harden very fast. So I'm going to go ahead and stir this just a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and pour this into my lip balm containers. Now, for me, this formula made approximately 2 lip balms. Now, it depends on the size. It could make more or less for you, just depending on your container size. So once you have poured it, you want to make sure to allow this to completely cool before you put the lids on. The lip balms now have completely cooled. They're no longer hot to the touch, and they are very solid. So with that being said, I'm just going to go ahead and put the lids on them. And once you have put the lids on, you can go ahead and use them. For the 3 formulas that I made today, here are some substitutions that you can make. So let's start with the glow mask. For the aloe vera gel, use cucumber gel. Instead of the rose hydrosol, use lavender hydrosol. Now for the hair oil, you can use argan oil in place of jojoba oil. When it comes to the calendula infused oil, what I have used in the past and I thought worked really well, is the rosemary infused grapeseed oil, and that you would need to make yourself. For the lip balm, mango butter is a good alternative for shea butter. When it comes to the coconut oil that I used, A good option is almond oil. If you're allergic to nuts, you could use another oil like safflower or sunflower oil. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.